Hello students, welcome to Bholangat Academy. Today we are going to see the preparation of benzoic acid. Now students, when you see the benzoic acid structure, students, here aromatic ring is there. So from aromatic esters we are going to prepare benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is very important product, students, which we are using in the drugs. So first raw material to prepare the benzoic acid, students, from esters. Now here students, we are taking aromatic ester. That means the benzene ring should be there while preparing benzoic acid. So now students, this is the ethyl benzoate. Now we are taking ethyl benzoate. So first we are drawing the benzoate, this CO, and here ethyl group is attached, C2H5. So this is the nomenclature, students. You have to start from here, ethyl, and this part is called as benzoate. So this raw material which is very important, students, that is called as ethyl benzoate. Ethyl benzoate, ATE. Now from this, when you add water, acidic water, students, when you add acidic water, that means you have to add dilute sulfuric acid. Dilute sulfuric acid. So students, you will get the product benzoic acid. This is converted. The hydrogen of the water is attached to benzoate, this part, and it will gives you benzene ring as it is CO, and here will be OH. That is benzoic acid. Now students, this is our product benzoic acid. So here we have used aromatic ester, students. Benzoic acid we have got. After that, students, you will get ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH. This is the first way you have to prepare the benzoic acid. Now students, second raw material, students, to prepare benzoic acid is from acyl chloride. Acyl chloride, students. Now here we are taking aromatic acyl. Aromatic compound, students, benzoyl chloride, because benzoic acid containing benzene ring. So we will take the aromatic compound raw material, that is benzoyl. First we will write benzoyl containing carbonyl group to which one part chlorine is attached. The name is, this compound is, raw material is benzoyl chloride. To this raw material, students, we will add water molecules. After that, students, what happens when you add water molecules? You will get benzoic acid. Very simple reaction, students. It is the OH of water will attach to this carbonyl group and form benzoic acid. And one of the hydrogen of the water will attach to the chlorine, form HCl. So this, with the help of the second raw material, we have prepared benzoic acid. Very important preparation, students. Now third raw material, here we are going to use is acid anhydride. From acid anhydride. Now here anhydride, students, we will take aromatic anhydride because benzoic acid containing benzene ring. So we will take benzoic anhydride, C6H5. Carbonyl group is attached to the benzene. 2 molecules attached to the oxygen. This is benzoic anhydride. Benzene attached to the carbonyl, so we call as benzoic anhydride. Why we call as anhydride? Because there is a removal of water molecules. Now if you add water to this raw material, students, aromatic anhydride, what happens, students? You will get 2 molecules of benzoic acid, C6H5 COOH. So this is the benzoic acid. 2 molecules of benzoic acid you have got. Now students, this is the third raw material from which we have prepared the benzoic acid. Now fourth raw material, students, which we are using is, that is called as Grignard reagent. Fourth raw material, students. So here, students, we are using Grignard reagent. Reagent and dry ice. Now students, Grignard reagent, here we will take aromatic Grignard reagent, that is phenyl magnesium halide. Aromatic part should be there, students. This is the aromatic part, phenyl magnesium halide. Any halide you can take, students. So we are taking any general phenyl. This part is phenyl, then magnesium, and this is the halide. To this halide, students, phenyl magnesium, we are adding dry ice, carbon to which 2 oxygen is attached. In presence of dry ether, as a solvent, what happens? Students, there is a formation of intermediate. there is a formation of intermediate. This is the intermediate, students. Because magnesium will get positive charge and halide will get negative charge. This is unstable. To this we are adding acid water. What happens, students? We are adding acid water. You will get the benzoic acid. And you are getting magnesium hydroxide halide. This is the benzoic acid. So from dry ice and Grignard reagent we can prepare the benzoic acid. This is the fourth preparation, students. Okay, students, fifth raw material here we are using, students, that is from amines. From amines. Now here, students, because benzoic acid we are preparing, so we will take aromatic amines. We are going to take what? Aromatic amines. So here, students, that is we are using benzamide. This is benzene ring to which carbonyl group is attached. Other part of the carbon is attached to the ammonia. So this is called as benzamide. Benzamide. What happens, students? This raw material, if you add acidic water, you will get, students, the ammonia of the carbonyl group is converted into hydroxyl group. The carbonyl, one valency of the carbonyl will attach to the hydroxyl. Now you will get ammonium chloride as the bioproduct. So this is our product, benzoic acid we have prepared, which is very important from the amines. From benzamide we have prepared benzoic acid. Now, students, sixth raw material is alkyl benzene. Now here, students, benzene is there and that is attached to the alkyl group. Again benzene ring is there. Because of the benzene ring we will prepare the benzoic acid. Now it is attached to the alkyl group. Carbon-carbon double bond. This is the alkyl group. One valency hydrogen will put. This is the called as phenyl ethene. This we will call as this raw material alkyl benzene. We are taking simplest phenyl ethene. Now to these, students, we are going to add KMnO4. KMnO4 in presence of dilute sulfuric acid. What happens, students? Because of the oxygen, there is oxidation reaction will take place. Oxidation, you have to heat the solution. So this part will convert into what? Benzoic acid. This you convert into benzoic acid. Benzoic acid, and there is the elimination of carbon dioxide. Because of it is called as, that is why it is called as oxidation reaction taking place of phenyl ethene. It will oxidize and you will get the benzoic acid. Now, students, this is the sixth raw material we have prepared, the benzoic acid. Seventh raw material, students, which we are going to take, that is called as raw material, students. Here we are taking N-butyl benzene. N-butyl benzene. Seventh raw material, students, we have taken N-butyl benzene. So benzene ring should be there, students. Our raw material should contains benzene. To this, students, butyl group is attached. That means 4 carbon alkyl group. This is butyl. To this, students, there is again oxidation reaction will taking place. This is called as N-butyl benzene. To this, students, we are adding dilute KMnO4. Dilute KMnO4, and we have to heat the solution. What happens, students? You will get the salt, potassium benzoate. You will get, because of this potassium, students, this part will convert into salt. Plus minus, that means it is converted to potassium benzoate. We called as this salt as a what? Potassium benzoate. Now this salt, students, when you add dilute HCl, you will get what? Benzoic acid. It is converted into benzoic acid. This we have got the product, benzoic acid. And students, this KCl will be getting as a byproduct. So this way we have prepared the benzoic acid from the 7 raw material, students. Thank you, students. If you like my video, please share it, subscribe it. Thank you very much.